Hi guys, this is Zahir of Sublime Trading. This is your weekend Forex analysis. We have 4 pairs to get through, starting with the euro dollar. The first chart we'll look at is the monthly time frame in the top left corner. We can see that price is still trading inside the annual levels of 2018. Here is the high, here is the low. Overall, price is very much bearish. Finding support, we had a move to the upside, and February so far is looking bearish. We want to see this momentum continue through the low of 2018 and then further weakness to the downside, where the next key area of support will be this level here. If we move across to the weekly time frame, we can see that last week price closed very much bearish, closed below the weekly 200 moving average. Ideally now we want to see momentum continue with this new bearish bias. If price is trading above the 200 moving average, it has a bullish bias. If it's trading below, it has a bearish bias. With the close on Friday below the 200 moving average, we want to see this bearish bias continue to the downside, 4 pivot support levels to be broken, and then further weakness. On the daily time frame, we can see prices already below the 200 moving average, and we've had good weakness to the downside. A break and close below this support level will suggest further weakness. The next chart we'll look at is the pound Swedish Krona. We can see prices also trading inside the annual levels of last year. We had a bullish January, and that momentum has continued through to February. If we get a break and a close above the high of 2018, then we could see further strength towards this next area of resistance. On the weekly time frame, prices above the 200 moving average, nice move to the upside. And also on the daily time frame, we can see that prices also above the 200 moving average with a good move to the upside. Overall, very much in this area of consolidation. If we get a breakout above these highs, then this will suggest a continuation and when we can potentially look for long opportunities. The next chart we'll look at is the Swedish Krona Japanese Yen. We can see price is very much bearish, and with February now we've seen momentum through the low of 2018. We do need to see this confirmed with price closing below 2018, the low of 2018 by the end of the month. However, good bearish momentum so far in February. If we start seeing further weakness, then potentially could see shorting opportunities on the horizon. If we move across to the weekly time frame, price is below the 200 moving average as well as the 50 moving average. We can see a nice linear bearish trend in progress. And on the daily time frame as well, price is below the 200 moving average and the 50 moving average. So we're seeing alignment across all 3 time frames, bearish on the monthly, bearish on the weekly, and bearish on the daily. However, once support levels start clearing and we get a good run to the downside, that's when we can start looking for potential shorting opportunities. The next chart we'll look at is the US dollar Swedish Krona. Again, looking at the monthly time frame, we can see that price is very much bullish, and so far in February, price is looking to break through the high of 2018. Further strength, and this could start offering long opportunities. We do have resistance ahead here that we need to be aware of, but once this is cleared, then we could potentially start looking for long trades. On the weekly time frame, price is above the 200 moving average as well as the 50 moving average. We can see a nice trend in progress. Bullish week last week, and if we come down to the daily time frame, prices above the 200 moving average as well as the 50 moving average. We can see since this point here, prices bounced off the 200 moving average and we're seeing strength to the upside. So once again, if we start seeing further strength and a breakout above this resistance, then we could potentially look for long trades. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and set your notifications on alert, and also click on the link in the description below to join us on our live webinar where we share more on our trend trading techniques, our verified results, and joining our community.